Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Backup documents, photos, and license keys to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, export saved passwords and jot down Wi-Fi details and activation codes. This avoids reconfiguration headaches. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and has at least half battery and a stable internet connection, because the reset may download updates. Now open Settings or Recovery options and choose the factory reset or reinstall option to start the process. You now make the core choices. Select whether to keep files or remove everything. Remove everything yields a clean system but requires your backups. If available, pick Cloud Download for the latest build, otherwise use USB reinstall media you created earlier. During the process, you may be asked about drives, partitions, and BitLocker or File Vault keys. Enter them to continue. Let the installer run, avoid interrupting it. This stage can take minutes to hours, depending on downloads and drive speed. You finish by walking through the out-of-box setup. Create or sign into your account, set privacy options, and allow Windows or Mac OS to install updates and drivers so hardware functions correctly. Once the desktop is ready, restore your files from the backup and reinstall apps, entering license keys when prompted. Make sure everything, Wi-Fi, audio, and camera, works. If you encounter boot errors or incomplete installs, boot to recovery or USB media to run diagnostics or repeat the reset. That usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.